All right, so we're working on the 1979 Plymouth Volare Custom, and we're putting in an engine. This is the original engine, but we built it here in the shop, restored it to like new. We're making quite a bit of progress, putting it back in. Haven't made a video for a while, so I thought I'd let you see what's going on. Got the carburetor all cleaned up and put back on. Nice new gasket and exhaust. I got linkage to hook up. You know, that's part of this, and some's got to go there. And I didn't actually paint the engine, just the tin parts and the solid steel. Got quite a bit of stuff to hook up, but we're really making something go here. 225 cubic inch, but now it's got new pistons, cam bearings, all the bearings are new. This will be the first engine that I had the correct tool to put cam bearings in with. So this is gonna be different. I hope it works out well. I've tried putting in cam bearings before, but I didn't have a tool. And on that occasion, the cam snapped in half going down the road. But now that we have the correct tool, that should no longer be a problem, because it helps you to line up the bearings perfectly, which would make a big difference, really big. So I've been working on this for a while, and I just thought I'd catch you up on how things are going down here with John Rudy at Rudy Racing.